Hey friends, the Teaching Doc channel reached 5,000 subscribers. I am so happy and I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting me, for believing in me, for taking your time to write all the comments, for the feedback and the entire love you have shown for the last 1 year. I am especially happy for those who have started earning money after seeing my channel, after seeing my tutorial videos, and I'm especially thankful to those experts who are already established stock photographers and who give their valuable inputs for making me better as well as helping the entire community. For those who are watching this for the first time, I am Dr. Arindam. I am a medical doctor by profession, and like you who is not a professional photographer, I am a part-time photographer. I love to click photos, but like me, many of you who love clicking photos but who are busy with their work have got tons of photos and videos in your hard drive. So in this channel I have been teaching you and I will teach you how to make those files useful so that those don't remain in your hard drive and you can sell those photos and videos to earn some money via stock photography as a passive income. So please join this community today, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the lots of videos. There are already many guides on stock photography already posted in my channel. You can feel free to browse them. Any beginner question related to stock photography has already been answered in great detail. And if you have not started stock photography yet, feel free to use the referral links in my video description. I want to end by thanking each and one of you again. Thanks for the wonderful suggestions of the videos. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the entire love. Thanks for motivating me so that I have been able to motivate you. So bye guys, this is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and I will see you each and every week once or twice in this channel. Take care.